A new clinic in Flint is offering easy access to health care services inside a homeless shelter. The clinic is part of the Genesee Health System and has a goal of providing convenient medical care to the homeless and underserved. NBC 25's Nikki Zizaza joins us live from Flint. Nikki, what are residents of the shelter saying about this new health center?
Sadie, a lot of residents here at Shelter of Flint are very satisfied. One mother I spoke to who is temporarily living behind these doors says the new clinic is a lifesaver for her and her children. To keep some of Flint's most vulnerable residents out of busy hospital emergency rooms for routine care, Shelter of Flint is now providing medical and psychiatric care.
And it keeps our emergency rooms from our hospitals open for people who have real emergencies, instead of people going to the emergency room for non-emergent issues.
To make this happen, President and CEO of Shelter of Flint, Ann Grantner, transformed her office into an exam room where medical personnel can see patients twice a week.
This is not a big space. It's one small little space, as you can see, but it meets the need. It does. We offer primary care, we offer behavioral and or mental health services.
For Shannon Weisinger, it's a no-brainer.
I said I'm going to call the shelter and see, how long it'll take for us to get in.
The mother of two had no choice. She says her son needs health care that is readily available.
With one of my children actually having asthma, it makes it a lot easier, because I know if anything happens, his asthma flares up, we can't find an inhaler, he leaves this inhaler at school, there is somewhere I can go.
Ann says it's services like these that help people take back control.
The more that we tap into them and they stay connected with us, the more we find that they are successful in the long term and staying on their feet.
And Sadie, Ann Grantner says that they will accept various forms of insurance and that they won't turn anyone away, even returning residents. The clinic has already seen 35 patients. Live in Flint, Nikki Zizaza, NBC 25 News. Back to you, Sadie.